So yeah, the forecasts were right. It threw it down all week. It has snowed for effectively 10 days non-stop, with the odd break on the odd afternoon with the sun popping out, but it has been what you could only describe as the perfect start for December for the Three Valleys, after two really difficult Christmases for a lot of French resorts. Everywhere has benefited from a lot of snow. Now, weirdly enough, Britain back home, they're not known for usually having snow. It's always just miserable, wet and cold. And the one time that we go away and go and have good snow here, they also have a bit too. Had the folks at home going, hey, look, we've got snow. 6 inches has fallen over the last 3 days. And I was like, nice. We were snow ploughing that off the driveways and clearing that from the balconies in the morning, let alone clearing it in the evenings as well. I've been digging out cars. It really has been a crazy couple of days. This week as a rep has very much been discovering more of VAL Thorens. We've been on what they call a bit of a ramble, so you're discovering everything, getting to know the local ski shops, the tuition, so a lot of meetings, but also enjoying getting to know the area a lot more, visiting some of the hotels we work with, some really nice accommodation, and just getting to enjoy some of the amazing views. Little bit of admin stuff. We have had a ton of maps given to us, which basically it felt to me like when we got them all, you were in a casino game in a James Bond film. All in.
Well, the sun's out, isn't it, boys?
Today is Friday. We have a full day off, which can only mean one thing. We're going skiing.